Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today, we're diving into something that's super common when ordering your favorite Taco Bell treats online, accidentally adding the wrong item to your cart. If you're like me, you've probably stared at that extra chalupa thinking, oops, I didn't mean to add that. Don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through how to remove an item from your Taco Bell online cart in just a few simple steps. This is for the 2025 updated interface, which is even more user-friendly than before. So, grab your phone or computer, and let's get started. First things first, make sure you're logged into the Taco Bell app or website. If you're not already signed in, open the app and enter your credentials, or head to tacobell.com and log in. Once you're in, navigate to the My Cart section. You can usually find this by tapping the shopping cart icon in the top right corner. It's that little basket symbol that makes you think of delicious Mexican-inspired eats. Now, in your cart, you'll see a list of all the items you've added. Scroll through until you spot the one you want to remove. Next to each item, there should be a small X button or a Remove option. Go ahead and tap or click that. A pop-up might appear asking for confirmation, like, are you sure you want to remove this item? Just hit Yes or Confirm to proceed. That's it. Your item will disappear from the cart, and you'll see the total price update automatically. But wait, what if you're using the new 2025 voice assistant feature? Simply say, "Hey Taco Bell, remove the Nachos Belgrande from my cart," and it'll handle it for you. Super cool, right? If you run into any issues, double-check your app version or clear your cache. Technology can be finicky sometimes. And there you have it, folks. Removing an item from your Taco Bell online cart is quick, painless, and keeps your order just the way you want it. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more food tech tips, and let me know in the comments what other Taco Bell hacks you'd like to see. Thanks for watching, and happy ordering.